The global polyester filament yarn market size was $54.95 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 7.6% during the forecast period. Approximately 40% of the polyester produced worldwide is specifically used to make polyester yarns by direct spinning of purified terephthalic acid, PTA, and monoethylene glycol, MEG. Polyester filament yarns are widely used as a part of pressing applications such as polyester films, insulation tapes, and strapping. They are also utilized in embroidery, sewing, knitting, and weaving to make polyester fabrics that are used in apparel and home textiles such as curtains, bed sheets, bedspreads, blankets, winding sheets, and drapes. Furthermore, tight polyester yarns can be used in various industrial applications such as ropes, conveyor belts, safety belts, and tire fabric. The material ensures properties such as elasticity, durability, and plasticity in consumer products. Thank you for watching our videos.